It's unbelievable that we are 80 years in business. I mean, over 8 decades we are running our company now in the 3rd generation. I mean, this is, for us, phenomenal. So when the company was founded in 1945 by our grandfather, I mean, our grandfather was a really hands-on person, and it was always driven around technology. And this is in our blood basically over 3 generations now. Our father, my brother, myself, we are very hands-on. So for us is always the technology most important. Always our ear is at our customers. So we always want to hear what challenges they are having, and we are then developing the right technologies. So the start of our VIP technology tour in Germany we did during our ZOLLER 80th anniversary celebration, because we thought with our customers being here in Germany, we can learn more and share more information what we have developed over the time, especially in regards to automation. And that was the idea behind, to bring really dedicated group here to brainstorm, also to develop also new ideas and to start a change process together with them to move into automation. The highlights for the VIP tour was certainly, first of all, ZOLLER Pleidelsheim. The home of precision here in Pleidelsheim is certainly, we have everything here. All our developers are here, all the manufacturing is here, the assembly is here. So everything what we do is centralized here in Pleidelsheim. We have also internally in our company automation, how we stock components, for example. We have HGVs delivering parts to the assembly area, so we have a centralized unit here. For our VIP customers, it was also great to see how we work at the home of precision. We have a very efficient process in place, from our ERP system to our project planning system, product planning system. They were really able to see how we work paperless. The most exciting part was the come-to-part process, but the come-to-part process with automation included. This was exciting to see for our customers, that they can really enhance the come-to-part process already with automation. We introduced a new product, our MIG box, milling insert change box, where we can automatically change insert on an inserted cutting tool. So this was well received by our customers. And then last but not least, our wear detection. So how can we detect wear, the AI knowledge behind it, and what gives the operator more knowledge how to change inserts. We have partnerships with a lot of companies, and for us it's very important to introduce our customers to those partners as well. Since in Germany everything is such in a close proximity, it just makes sense to go out and visit those companies and share the information, share the knowledge. And for us is always the integration very important with our OEMs to make it more easier for our end users. It's such important to also be offsite a company. You are out in the field seeing different things, you get inspired, you get to know the people better, you understand better the challenges we are all having, and just a closer connection is really very important for us, because we don't have customers, we have technology partners. I mean, we want to work together with our customers to enhance basically the technology. Yeah, we have a wonderful region here. We are close to Stuttgart, and we have a wonderful wine region. We have the river next to it, we have old cities. So everything is so close together, so we do not have to travel far around our company, seeing all those nice areas. And we have, of course, also excellent wine, we have excellent food. And it was really a beautiful week we had in Germany. trip to Hamburg to visit our customer who really implemented now automation was really a high value to our customers visiting. We are working together with this customer since many decades. A few years ago we discussed how can they automatically produce one piece. This is a huge challenge, of course. It's a huge transformational process for this company. And we were part of it. We worked together with their technology team to really optimize the tool workflow in their company. Being it automatically measuring the tools, automatically delivering the tools, automatically storing the tools. So this was really a transformational process that this customer is still undertaking, of course. It was so great to have like this aha moment where they say, wow, it absolutely makes sense. And it's not like, yeah, it's reality. It's implemented in a real manufacturing, and that's a satisfaction for us because, yeah, we want to share those moments with our ZOLLER customer family. The next step on our ZOLLER 80th journey will be during the EMO show we have in Hanover. So next year we want to continue our VIP technology tour in 26. We want to invite again our customers and we want to share the new developments with them, the next steps that we have taken in the technology development. For us as a ZOLLER team, it's really great to see that our VIP customers, that they are so excited seeing what they were able to see at ZOLLER Germany, for example. I mean, this is so great because they ask so many questions and then we see there is a value. The hope is always when they are sitting at breakfast in the morning that they think about ZOLLER. If you run a company, you always get up in the morning and then you think, what can I do better in my company to be more efficient? And this is really our goal. I mean, we want to really continue the partnership with our customers and we would really like to help them, yeah, to solve their challenges and also to go to this transformational change, to support them accordingly, certainly with the ZOLLER products, with the ZOLLER solutions.